Hey guys, as you can see, like, this is morning again for me. And my coffee had my breakfast. I already finished my cereal, but I still have, part of a, what do you call it? Dang it. But it's a type of bread. Cornbread. I have cornbread. It looks like a muffin. And you know I had to do this because it said noodle. You guys all know I love noodles. Not always. But there are little doggos that are noodles. Oh my god. My gloves are ginormous. Why are my gloves taking up half of my body? Give me the... No, I want the food! I want the food! I may be part of Mafia, but Mafia still wants food. Mafia still needs food. Yes. What's better than just getting your arms even more racked up? Yes. Cook me. Cook me like the noodle I am. Kill me like the noodle I am. Ooh, I'll just... Ah, nice, yes. Ah, yes. Coffee. Ah, yes. Coffee. I was in the coffee and I was waiting for like for a moment like that just to drink my coffee. So I love coffee, as you guys can see. Even though I'm only 13, I love my coffee. I love it, dude. Gals and gentlemen, I love my coffee. So if I take my coffee away from me, then you're gonna have a bad time. Oh, I see that person's already having a bad time. Oh, guess I have to just grab stuff. Grab. I know what I can do. I'm going to go get some coffee. My friend, come with me. Why won't it work? I look like uh Mr. What's his name? And I want to put in my description at all that I'm Roblox Mafia. That means that I can kill people in Roblox more. If you know what I mean. What's his name? Chun Cup Man theme. He dies. He's dead. This is barely even Mafia, because look at him. He doesn't even look like it. I think that last guy I was playing a Mafia game with. He doesn't even flipping look like Mafia. Why do humans have to be so dumb sometimes? Not all. Not humans. More like Robloxians. More of a serious person now. I still do have... Everybody stay away from me. I look BA. Look at me. Ow. That all didn't hurt. What's happening to me? I believe... Mafia, I'd say what the hell is that? Just my mom's around. I just gotta get, tank top. Free Roblox ballerina tank top. I would, but I flipping can't. I may be mafia, but flip it, cause if I kill someone, then I get the money. That's how mafia works. Ha! 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 That's how mafia works. Let's find something that fits me perfectly. This. The secret room, and that's cool. I don't want to take off my hat now. Oh, but there's coffee here. Sweet. No, 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 no. Gotta make myself some coffee in Roblox. 'Cause everyone knows I love coffee. Slap.
Speaking of yummy, we got Johnny from the relaunch is a mess. All anyone can talk about is how we feel comments. So part of the Scarlet site was connecting with other readers. Thanks for taking that away. Hashtag Scarlet doesn't get it. I'm confused. How it's got to put a hot fridge and a perfect instruction. That's what I want right now. I'm so sorry. I'm still failing in here. I can't. I called you a few times. So what do you need to do? Oh, time sensitive. I'm going to Paris next week for work and I need to get a passport. Oh, it's amazing. What are you going to be doing there? Probably eating croissants, red stripes, fruiting. But I don't have a lot of time, so I know. You always said you were going to go there. I'm surprised you remember anything I said as a kid. Look, Sutton, I know what you're thinking. But it's fine. It's over now. And I am...
I must find the Halo theme meme. Halo theme meme Roblox ID. Halo theme song. No.
Sometimes she cleans when her boyfriend's coming.
Oh.
I spent my entire childhood watching them sober up for like 2 or 3 days at a time and thinking, wow, maybe I really have a mom now. I should always go backwards. In 6th grade, she was sober for a week, so I signed us up for the mother-daughter Girl Scout camping weekend. She bailed to go to Atlantic City with guys she picked up at a bar. Why do you think I spent so many nights sleeping in Billy's disgusting fan? I didn't know that. I'm sorry. I don't want to